Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot unlock your device using your face recognition scanner on Honor 600 Pro. To fix this, let's open settings on this smartphone, and after that scroll down to biometrics and password, select your face recognition menu, enter the pattern, and then delete the previously enrolled facial data. After that, grab a piece of a microfiber cloth and wipe the surface of your frontal camera to make sure that it's clean and smooth. And after that, let's reset up the face recognition. Enter your password, tap Get Started. Now face your smartphone directly, face your camera, frontal camera directly, and make sure that your face is visible. Make sure that the lights are properly aligned in the room where you're doing that. Make sure that the sun isn't facing your device's camera. Tap Get Started and wait until the setup is completed. After that, you can tap Later. Now let's exit this menu and go back to settings. Now before we finish, let's also scroll down to System and Updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Select Software Update and check whether you have any updates to install on your smartphone. And if you do, take your time to download and install all the updates, because there might be some security updates as well that might fix your issue. After that, press power button and volume up key and restart your smartphone, and then wait until your device is restarted. After the restart, we're gonna have to enter the password just once, and then we can lock the screen and face the camera to unlock it. Okay, let's wake it up. Okay, so it worked the first time. Let's try it once again. And as you can see, for me it works seamlessly, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.